Stefan here, welcome back for another video. Hey Google, what is my name?
Your name is Tuesday with Stefan.
Let's start the video.
Tuesday with Stefan.
How's it going, guys? Stefan here, welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a guest in the house, we have a Mrs. Google. We're gonna ask a couple of questions, and one of the more important question, the outbreak now for the COVID-19. So stay home and yeah, be safe. I'm gonna ask a couple of questions. So let's start with the more important question that everybody wants to know. Hey Google, coronavirus.
According to the National Health Service, COVID-19 is a new illness that can affect your lungs and airways. It's caused by a virus called coronavirus. Symptoms of coronavirus COVID-19 are a cough, a high temperature and shortness of breath. Simple measures like washing your hands often with soap and water can help stop viruses like coronavirus COVID-19 spreading. There's no specific treatment for coronavirus COVID-19. Treatment aims to relieve the symptoms until you recover. It's not known exactly how coronavirus COVID-19 spreads from person to person, but similar viruses are spread in cough droplets.
Thank you. Wash your hands. Stay safe. So Google knows about this coronavirus. So yeah, that's cool that she knows. So yeah, that's cool. Hey Google, can you rap?
So you want to hear my flow? Well, there is something that you should know. I'm really into being as helpful as possible. I think you and I were gonna be unstoppable.
Yeah, that was cool.
Something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
You're stupid.